Welcome to Phone Doctor's iPhone 6 battery replacement tutorial. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most difficult, this repair is rated a 6. The estimated time for this repair is 20 minutes. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Visit us at PHONEDOCTORS.com. Use coupon code YouTube110 and receive 10% off your entire purchase. Don't forget, with the original screw mat, you will never lose a screw again. Screw mat is available for Apple devices and most popular Android devices. You can also find and visit us on all the popular social networks. Let's get started on the repair. Step 1. Ensure your device is powered down. Step 2. Remove the 2 bottom screws with the pentalobe screwdriver. Step 3. If the glass of your device is shattered severely, it is best to use a suction cup to pull up the screen. Be careful not to scratch up or dent the housing when prying up the LCD. Step 4. Remove the 5 LCD screws with the 00 Phillips screwdriver. This is so you can unplug the LCD and digitizer flex cables. Then remove the LCD and digitizer shield. Step 5. Unplug the 4 LCD digitizer flex cables from the board. Step 6. Remove the 2 Phillips screws and remove the battery shield. Step 7. Unplug ringer speaker flex and remove the 4 Phillips screws. Remove ringer speaker. Step 8. Remove the 2 Phillips screws and remove vibrator. Step 9. Unplug the antenna connector and remove all 9 Phillips screws, including the charging port shield and microphone grommet. With the plastic pick, gently pry out the charging port from the housing. Be careful not to rip the flex or microphone. Step 10. Align charging port back into housing. Starting with the headset screw first. Insert the 2 Phillips screws, then align microphone grommet and insert the Phillips screw. Insert the remaining 6 Phillips screws, including the charging port shield. Step 11. Align ringer speaker and insert the 4 Phillips screws. Plug in antenna connector, then the ringer flex. Step 12. Line up battery shield and insert the 2 Phillips screws. Step 13. Insert the vibrator. Insert 2 Phillips screws. Step 14. Plug all LCD digitizer connectors back to the board. Step 15. Align the shield and insert all Phillips screws and securely close screen back onto housing. Step 16. Insert the 2 pentalobe screws back into the bottom of housing. Step 17. Power on your device, test the functions to make sure you had a successful repair. Then give yourself an awesome thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helped. Check back soon for more repair videos from Phone Doctors.